Hey parents, so this is the AMI day 7 for yesterday's problem. I wanted to go over it since I posted the wrong day. And so hopefully we can discuss some good strategies of what your kids could have done. I chose a more challenging problem of that set. And so let's go over what the problem was. It says we saw 17 brown owls and 23 white owls. How many more white owls did we see than brown owls? And so some really important things to notice in this is that we saw 17 brown owls and we saw 23 white owls. So we want to add that. We saw 17 brown and we saw 23 white. Okay? And an important question in this is it says how many more white owls did we see than brown owls? And so when we look at that, we're not necessarily looking and seeing if, you know, like it doesn't tell me like, did I get more owls? Did I lose some owls? I'm looking at two different colors of owls. I'm looking at brown owls and white owls, and I'm actually comparing and seeing how many more there are of one of the owls. So if I look here at the 17, I'm gonna show what it would look like if we just drew it out. And so we have 17, so I'm gonna make 17, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then I'm gonna make the brown. So, the white owls. So now I have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. And so one of the things that your child can do, or hey kiddos, if you're watching what you can do, is that you can look and you can see where it matches up to be the same. And so here we see this 10 with this 10, so we can take those away. And then I can compare the ones. So we see the same there, we see them match up there, and we see a matchup there. But when we look here, we have a 10 here, and then we have ones here. And so what do I need to do? I need to break up this 10 into 10 ones. So I'm gonna do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now I'm gonna match them up, okay? So there's a match, and another match. Okay, so now all of my brown owls are now taken away and matched up to the white owls. And now let's see how many we have left. If I circle these up and count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 more white owls. All right, so that is one strategy you could do. Since this is a compare problem, that is one way that you could do it. Another way that you could look is you can say, you know what, one thing I know is that I could just take away the brown owls from the white owls and see how many I have left. So I'm gonna do the greater value first. So I'm gonna do that I have 23 white owls, and I'm gonna take away the brown owls, the 17, and see how many I have left. So I could make 23, and I could take away the 17, so I could take away a 10, and take away 11, 12, 13. What do I need to do? I need to make some more ones, so I'm gonna change this into 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and take away 4, 5, 6, 7 for 17, and then looking there, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we could take away. You could also, one of the ways I was showing you guys is by combining same units. So 20 plus 3 minus 10 plus 7. I have 20 minus 10 would get me to 10. 3 minus 7, remember what we do if I have 3, but I need to take away 7, I can take away 1, 2, 3, and I would still need to take away 4 more. So I would have negative 4, and I would add that up. 10 plus negative 4 equals 6. 6 more brown owls, so that would be another way. One last way is that you could flip it and actually add add on. Let me see if you guys can, yes. So you could do, start at 17 and count on. And so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what that looks like is 17 plus what equals 23? And the answer would be 6. So those are all different great strategies that you could do for the comparison problem on your AMI Day 7 problems. Some of the other ones, you have an empty school bus picked up 40 students at the first stop. At the second stop, 8 got off. How many students are left? So there's some keywords there to help you know that if 8 got off and how many are left, that would help you know that that is a subtraction problem. And other videos can help you with the subtraction. Eric collected 22 seashells from the beach. He lost 16 of them. How many shells does he have left? So the lost and the left are keywords there to help you know what to do. Mrs. Smith has 63 pieces of chocolate in the box. 5 are milk chocolate, the rest are dark chocolate. How many pieces are dark chocolate? That is another comparison problem. We know the total is 63. We know 5 are milk, but we don't know how many are dark. And so these strategies along with this problem will help you to compare and figure out how many are dark. Kira did 56 math problems. She got 17 of the problems wrong. How many problems did she get right? Again, another comparison. She did 56. We know 17 were wrong. So how many are right? So again, using these comparison strategies to help you with those problems as well. So those should all help you with the AMI Day 7 problems that you guys did yesterday. So sorry that those videos were mixed. Hopefully you guys can still check in and get some really great strategies for that. So the last thing I want to share with you is I'm going to end every video knowing that you are a Glenn Duffy Lion. And what I mean by that is you are loved, you are imaginative, you are optimistic, especially in today's times, right? You are needed, and most importantly, you are valued. Hope that you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.